Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be putting our cabin air filter in our 07 Mazda 6 sedan. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To start with, you have to remove the glove box on the passenger side. Open it up and you'll have two little ear prongs. You just pull the compartment like that. And on this side there is, as you can see, it's a string. It does the slow open motion. And you just push it down. You'll see the keyway. If you can see the slot right there. So you push it down and let it out. So it is the slow motion string that brings it up. That's going to just pull right inside. Pull both inners at the same time and let that hang down. Now you'll see the cabin air filter door. Push on the middle tab. Right, both ends tab. You got one tab here and one tab there. Pull it out. Put the door side, and this is where we get to see the animals. The animal light. What have they left behind? So we have, I see acorns already. This is why it's important to do this at every 15,000. If you're an allergy person, I strongly recommend wearing a paper mask. You're going to pull that out if you have bad allergies. So here we have a cabin filter for our 07 Mazda 6. This is the old one, and this is the new one from 1aauto.com. It's actually the correct size. This is an aftermarket one that was crimped in there and it had buckled over. So 1aauto.com one is just a smidge shorter, which is the way it's supposed to be. This was actually the wrong one in there. You need this product, any other product for your vehicle, come on over to 1aauto.com. So now that we removed our cabin air filter, you can see all the debris that had come out with that. So some are left behind. You just want to clean that debris out of there. Some acorns did fall down into the blow motor. So I can hear them, and I actually heard them drop in there. So we're going to replace the cabin air filter at this point, and then I'm going to show a video of removing the blow motor to get the acorns and any other leaves that fell down in out. It's important to remove the items from the blow motor because they get caught in the wheel cage and it will cause a vibration and a lot of clanking noise you'll hear running around in there. So first thing we're going to do to put the cabin air filter back in is line it up. As you can see, look at that. It's the wrong size. Not the wrong size, I'm sorry, wrong direction. So you want it to be snug and fit. So you're going to go in the wide way. And then it's going to open up, fit right in there. You're going to replace the cover. You have the two ears that were on the top. Right there. And these two clips go on the bottom. So you're going to guide the ears up in. There we go. And then click them on. Now that's on. I like to pull this out with my right hand and close the glove box up. And then once that is in the right position, I can poke the clip through and let it pull up. And that gives it that slow motion. See how when you open it up, that's what that string does. And now you're done. The cabin air filter is installed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.